To install Windows 11 without a Microsoft account, first disconnect your computer from the internet by unplugging the network cable or turning off your router. Then begin the Windows installation. Towards the end of the installation, you will see a page similar to this one, prompting you to connect to the internet. Here's what you need to do. Press Shift plus F10 on your keyboard. This will open the command prompt. In the command prompt, type OOB/bypass NRO and press Enter. Your computer will restart and the setup wizard will run again. But this time, on the Let's Connect to a Network page, you'll see an option called I don't have internet. Select the I don't have internet option, and you will be able to continue the installation by creating a local account instead of a Microsoft account. And that concludes this guide on installing Windows 11 without a Microsoft account. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe to the channel.